your monkey. What's your monkey? Oh, monkey, are you okay? You don't look like you feel very well. Oh, that's why you're getting pushed into the snow. Hi, monkey. Hi, Sarah. I'm going to take a picture of you. Sitting right there. Okay. Sure. That's too cute. That's you in the snow. I just took a picture and a video of you in the snow. Oh, this one should have tested. There you go. Howdy, howdy. Here. 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 You're such a drama actress. I see you. I see you. He moves. Oh, don't we love it? I'm taking your monkey. You left it unattended. Look, here, look, I got your monkey. Here. I got it. Oh my gosh. How do you feel about this? I got the monkey. I got the monkey. Yeah, that seems to trouble you. Get it. Okay. I'm going to get it again. No. No. Get it. Oh, monkey, you look tired. Sarah, do you know it's a snow day? Okay, my hands are officially cold. No gloves, silly girl. Okay, Sarah, have fun.